Our Parsha for the coming week is Mishpatim. Mishpatim are laws. Laws, that is, relating to judgment. A judge is one who fixes a situation and restores balance. That is the whole purpose of the judge, to see that there's balance. There's one who claims and there is one who has to give. And both have to be satisfied. So you have to have perfect balance. Now, how do you get it? And that is a big problem. And this is not only in terms of the real, true judge in a court of law. It relates to each and every one of us, because all the time we have to judge a situation, to see that there's fairness, to see that there is equity, to see that everybody else is satisfied. That is one of the things that we have to do. We are forced to do it. How do we do it? The Eli HaMishpatim, and these are the laws that you shall set out before them. That's sim. Sum, setting out. What is the whole idea? And our sages tell us this relates to a set table. The table is set. You come and have a look, and you look at the whole table to see what there is. And then you can judge what is wanted, what is not wanted. Everything is before us, a complete, holistic picture. And of course, the table is set so that we can do things in order, one thing after another. And indeed, when making a judgment, we have to do things in order to assume and to assure that there is order in the end. And that is why you have the whole order of law in the end, based upon Torah, is the Shulchan Aruch. That is where we go to for all the basis of every court of law, the Shulchan Aruch. And what is Shulchan Aruch? It is a set table. It comes from this very point. Now, what do we do to see to it that there is justice? Well, we have to be cool, calm, and collected. And what is the whole problem? The people in front of us aren't. One is hot and bothered, and the other tries to remain cool, calm. And it is a matter of hot and cold. And one gets hot and tempered, and the other gets cold and hard. And so therefore, in the end, if everybody's satisfied, everybody has to be cool. So it's a matter of warmth, heat. And that is reflected in the two letters, the sin and the mem. Sin. Now, sin is number 21 in order of the alphabet, and mem is number 13 in order. Now, what do? Multiply mem 13 times sin 21, and you find 273. And that's the absolute frozen, frigid, minus 273. We don't want that. And so what do we want? Well, we see that everything adds up. That was a judge has to do. Everything has to add up. That's why he has to do one thing at a time. When it is all added up and he sees everything perfectly added up, then in the end, it all adds up. Right, so you add up. The 21 plus 13 is 34. 34 degrees. That is normally the coolest a person can be in his life. And then you have the Vav there, 6, is 40. That's the highest temperature that we get to. But we have to have the average. We have to have the balance. So therefore, it is between 34 and 40, which is 37, which is 37 degrees. And that is our normal temperature. And if everybody's satisfied, everything is normal, nobody is hot and bothered, nobody's cold and annoyed, rather hot and annoyed, and 37 degrees. And then to make absolutely sure that there is perfect balance, add the 3 and the 7, and the 10 is 1. Everybody is satisfied. That is what we have to do in life. In the end, everybody has to be at 1.